Oceans is a class about oceanography, studying multiple facets of the environment, including the geology, the physics, the chemistry, and the ecology of ocean environments.
The structure of the class is really nice. We have both hands-on experiences as well as lecture portions. We have group work together where we're able to be interactive and think amongst each other and use each other's brains to kind of come up with a hypothesis.
We've talked about different pressures in the ocean, seawater chemistry, how basins form. We get down to like the tectonic plate level of things, pretty much just touching on different subjects of oceans.
We talk a lot about ocean circulations and learning about how stratified the ocean is, because that entails a lot about our atmosphere, about our land usage, about pollution studies. The ocean really shows us how much we've really done and how much the ocean has compensated for us.
A lot of the things that we do in oceans and other classes here at Rowan are very applicable to the types of things that we would be doing as environmental scientists in the field at work. So I think that there's a lot of really useful skills to be gained, and it's very productive to be participating in these things as a result of that.
So it's great to get an idea of like what a true oceans research environment would be like. Rather than just like being in the lab, you're going out and you're taking these measurements.
This was probably one of the most applicable classes for my major and for what I would like to do in my future professional career.
In the beginning, it's a lot of very introductory things. You know, you're studying physics, you're studying chemistry, you're studying calculus, and now it's kind of all coming full circle. You're all kind of putting it together, and it kind of makes you realize throughout your day-to-day how important some of these science concepts really are.